Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing an umbrella investigation. I have 4 different materials. I have a jar, I have an elastic, I have my teddy, and I have water. First, we need a jar. Second, we need a teddy. So we'll put the teddy inside and choose either metal, plastic, fabric, or this tissue paper. I'm going to start with a tissue paper. I'll put the tissue paper like that, and like this, and like that. Okay. Like that. And now I'll add some water. Okay, it's all done. Now we wait for 1 second. Okay, now it's done. Take the tissue paper out. The bunny got wet, so the tissue paper did not work. Now we're going to choose either of these 3. I'm going to go with fabric. We'll take this and put it inside. Take the fabric. I think you won't see the teddy, just maybe a little, but it's fine anyway. We'll take it out and see if it's wet. Now time to add water. Okay, it's all done. Now we wait for 1 second until it spreads out everywhere. Okay, it's done. Take it out. And now the bunny got wet, so fabric did not work. Now put the teddy in back again. Now we're going to choose either of these. I'm going to go for this one. So I'll put this paper in. And this metal line, and add water. Now we wait for 1 second again. Okay, it's done now. Now, the metal worked. The metal is waterproof because the teddy is dry. Now we're gonna use this plastic. Put it in. Now get the plastic. Now get the rubber band. Okay, it's done. Now, there, all done. Now, again, we wait for 1 second. Okay, it's done. dry, so the plastic is waterproof. The plastic worked. And thank you for watching. Bye!